Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you are fine and happy. Welcome to social study class grade 2. I am your teacher Miss Lubna. Do you remember student what we have done last week? We have done last week lesson number 11 building houses. Now today start the new lesson number 14 time. Book page number 40 and 41. Now, first of all, introduction of the lesson. What is time mean? Time is the ongoing sequence of events taking place like sunrises, midday, evening, sunsets and night. The basic unit of time is the second. There are also minutes, hours, days, weeks, months and years. Now everyone take out your books and pencil. Start writing the date on the top of the page, CW and day. Now let's start the reading. Lesson number 14, time. Everyone read with me. Put your finger on the first line. The time from when the sun rises till the sunset is called a day. Sorry. Sunrises being the time of day when the sun appears above the eastern horizon. And sunset means the time of the day when the sun disappears below western horizon. But a full day lasts from midnight of one day to the next midnight of the following day, 24 hours. How many hours in a full day? In a day, 24 hours. How many hours in a day? 24 hours. Everyone keep in your mind, okay? Here are some words which tell us about different times of the day. And you can see below this line few pictures about these words. First is dawn, very early in the morning. Here you can see here the sun rises above, not fully above, but rises. It's called the dawn time. To start to brighten with daylight. Morning, the first part of the day is called the morning. The part of the day from dawn to noon is called the morning. Midday or noon, the middle of the day when the sun is directly overhead. It means that the sun is directly on our head. It's called the midday or noon. What is time in midday? 12 o'clock. Afternoon, the time after the middle of the day. After 12 o'clock, start the middle of the day. Evening, the end of the day when it begins to get dark. Begins to get dark. Begins means start. The end of the day is called the evening. When it begins, it starts to get darkness. Night, when it is completely dark. You can see in this picture, completely darkness, start the night time. Now, move to the next page. Do you know that here are some points, very important point to keep in your mind. You can see here the clock picture. Clock show the time. So everyone read with me. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. How many hours in a day? In one day, 24 hours. 7 days is equal to 1 week. It means that in 1 week, 7 days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. 22 weeks is equal to 1 year. In 1 month, 4 weeks. And in 1 year, one year is equal to 12 months. So in 1 year, how many weeks in 1 year? 52 weeks. 12 months is equal to 1 year. Here is a poem. It will help you to remember the months. Here below the poem, it's help you to remember the month's name or day's name in each month. It will also help you remember the numbers of days in each month. In each month. Let's start the poem. 30 days in September, April, June and November. It means that September, April, June and November. How many days in these months? 30. All the rest have 31. All the rest have 31. All the rest like January, March, May, July, August and December have 31 days. Excepting February alone. Excepting February alone. And that has 28 days clear. In February, how many days? 28 days. And 29 in each leap year. And 29 in each leap year. What is a leap year? Leap year has an extra day or in February, 29th February, that is called the leap year. A leap year comes every after 4 years. Leap year comes every 4 years. There are 365 days in a year. There are 365 days in a year. How many days in a year? 365 days. In a leap year, there is always an extra day. In a leap year, one extra day. That day is the 29th of February. That day is the 29th of February. A leap year comes every 4 years and has 366 days. And 300 in leap year has 366 days and leap year comes every 4 years, not every year. Now today we have student done page number 40 and 41 reading. So everyone do the reading practice of this lesson and 2 pages and make its title page. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.